Okay, what are we drawing today?
Roses.
Okay, you're gonna teach me to draw 2 different roses. Go ahead.
Okay, do a circle.
Do a circle, okay.
They're like the same.
What is this?
You have to watch and wait, and you'll see. Big petal, and then to inside. Okay, we're done. Almost done. Not quite.
Is there
done.
like stem for this rose?
Yes.
Okay.
This would be a spiky rose, okay?
Okay.
Spiky rose.
Okay.
So do like that.
Okay. Okay.
That's one. We're going to
Okay.
do another.
Okay.
But this time, this one's a little different.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to draw something.
What? What is that?
The sun.
The sun, okay. Okay.
Okay, after that, we're
Okay,
going
we
to
do
draw
a
like...
different rose.
It's like the same, but the sun is not there.
Okay.
It's sunset rose.
Okay.
And this rose does not have spikes.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to start with the stem first. No spikes.
Okay.
And then first we're going to do a little circle. It's like an oval somehow. And then we're going to do that. This is not a... We're drawing 2 different flowers.
Oh, okay. Now we're doing 2 different flowers, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
It's really different. This is this is the first time you'll see it.
Okay.
It's going to be good.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do little dots. I'm going to do a line.
Wait, I thought there was no sun.
The sun's not there. It's brushing away.
Okay. Okay.
It's going away. So it's
Okay.
like this. It's not connected to anything.
Okay.
It's like water.
It's like water.
Yeah. Actually, we're drawing water. The
We're drawing water now? Okay.
Yeah, the sunflower. This is a sunflower.
Okay.
It's near water. As far as like that.
Is that it?
That's
Okay. Good job.
It's a type of it's a flower called sunflower.
Oh, sunflower. Okay.